Here's the Justy Mark II exhaust. Been grinding, cutting, dodgy weld off. Well, I've welded it. You might say, oh, that doesn't look much different last than how it was before. But this part in particular wasn't welded before and had massive holes in it. So in order to fill it without having to chop it off and add a new bit in, I've done that, but I will grind that back and then probably weld another layer to the outside of it, just for precaution. This is where there was the massive mound. I chopped it off, ground it back and welded right the way around the whole thing. There's no holes in it anymore. And there's a little hole there, so I welded that up. But as I said, that isn't how it's going to look when it goes back on the car. I will grind it back smooth. And I'm going to try and figure out if there's any way of spraying something on it to make it last a bit. Unfortunately, the one of the studs snapped on the manifold side when I was getting it off, which might cause a bit of a problem. I might quickly see if I can get that out by welding a nut onto it, but I don't hold much hope considering I had a windy gun on it and it didn't do anything. But that's the update for the exhaust. The car is just needing the outer sill welded to the inner sill underneath, just spot welds. There's a tiny little bit that needs doing on the front chassis leg. That's just nothing really, quite easy, simple job. I have a feeling I might need to get some new gaskets for the exhaust, just to save that issue when the MOT gets done. But other than that, oh yeah, I need to weld the two bits in the bottom of the seats, the rear seat area, those in the two sides, that needs to be done. But it should be done, I'd say tomorrow, hopefully. Not sure about the exhaust getting back on tomorrow, but either way I need to put something in for an MOT, so if it's the daily Monday, then it just have to be that for now. But the Justy will be going in for an MOT probably this week. So I'll catch you on the next one and speak soon. So tried welding these to the snapped off manifold stud.
and it just keeps snapping. First attempt didn't hold. The second attempt snapped a little piece off. Third attempt snapped a nut worth off. So I've got one little bit left to try. I'm not very hopeful. Let me know any other ways. Yeah, catch you on the next one.